Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you proper pull-up technique. Often it is understand wrong how to do correct pull-ups and people hurting the shoulders. So making sure that you start with the pull-up from the extended shoulder and elbow. From here, you should have no body movement. So everything contract, core, glutes. As if you don't have strength to do 10 pull-ups, if you're gonna be doing even 5 but holding on the top, it will give you more strength right away. This is the best way to strengthen. Hold on the top, stop and go over chin. As well at the beginning, before you're going to the start pull-up, make sure you're gonna do work on the scapula activation to build up the strength and mobility first. Elevation in the breath. Another way to strengthen your pull-ups is negative pull-ups. You want to stand up a little bit higher, you want to jump on the bar over, and then with a negative motion, you want to hold it as long as possible, slowly pressing going down. And then again. You can use chair, step, box, anything you want to find in your gym, and try to resist. Lower eccentric motion will give you more strength. Use all the time.
But if you still need practice technique and also improve your strength, and you cannot do like this guy doing, so try to do, first of all, tap the band in your hands, go back. When you feel the band is pulling you, then activate your core, also your glutes, and then scapula side, activation, and then pull, arms in the end. And exhale. And one more time. Up and pull. And then when you warm up your body, you want to use my friend's assistant band pull-up. But first, you need to set up the band in your knee. In my case, I'm so small, so I need to jump. Okay, when one band is ready, you try to jump. And then set up the second knee. Then try to equalize and balance your body. And then activate scapula and lift.
So make sure you're gonna engage your shoulder blades first properly. Then when you reach to the top, you want to contract and hold it for 3 seconds. That will build the strength for your shoulders. Make sure you control the body. Avoid too much swinging. As the band at the beginning can be very helpful to improve that technique and strength to be able to move forward. Make sure you extend your elbow, your shoulders on the low down position. Often people forget about the whole proper pattern of movement and then they end up with a shoulder injury.